How to turn on and turn off call barring on Android. This tutorial shows you how to block specific types of calls on your device quickly and easily. First, open the phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings to open the phone settings. At this point, tap on Supplementary Services. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on Call Barring to open the call barring options. From there, tap on Voice Call or Video Call, and you'll see a list of call barring options, including all outgoing calls, international calls, all incoming calls, and incoming calls when roaming. At this stage, tap on whichever type of call barring you want to enable. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter a call barring password. The default password is usually 0000 or 1234. Enter it and tap on OK to confirm. Once done, the selected call barring option will now be active, and those types of calls will be blocked on your device. Here's an important note. If you've forgotten your call barring password, contact your network carrier directly. They can reset it for you as it's linked to your SIM card and network account. Finally, if the call barring option isn't showing up in your phone settings, it may not be supported by your current network carrier. Contact them directly to enable or manage call barring on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on and off call barring on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.